साध संगत वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। I have been allotted the subject of word Jivan Mukt as it is enshrined in Sri Guru Granth Sahib. Jivan Mukt word is often found in the philosophical books of Adi Shankara in his Advait that segment of Hinduism. And it is also found in the literatures of other religions like Jainism, Buddhism and Sanatana Dharma. But there it has a narrow meaning. It contains a theological context. But as far as Gurbani is concerned, it invests this word with a very noble, very deeper, very higher spiritual meaning. And also invested with the social context. In Pauri 9th of Sukhmani Sahib, Guru Arjan Sahib has given a very good and we can say best definition of a person who has attained Jivan Mukti. Their words are Jivan Mukti and Paramukti. Paramukti is salvation obtained after death. Jivan Mukti is that a person has got liberated during this very life when he is alive. And Guru Arjan says, Prabhu ki agya atma hitave, one who in his soul loves the will of God. Jivan Mukt so kahave. And the attributes of Jivan Mukti is that taisa hark, taisa usod. As is joy, so is sorrow to him. Sada anante nahi byo. He is always in a blissful mood and he never suffers the pangs of separation. Taisa sovereign, taisi usmati. He loves and gives the same treatment to gold as well as to soil. Taisa amrit, taisi bikhati, taisa maan, taisa abhiman. Taisa rang, taisa rajan, जो वर्ताए साई जुक्त नानक ओ पुरख कहिए जीवन मुक्त. That person is Jivan Mukt, who has obtained the attributes of the Almighty. These attributes are given in Mool Mantra by Guru Nanak: Satnam, Karta Purakh, Nirpau, Nirvair, Akal Murt, Ajuni Saibang, and Nirvair, Nirvau. These aspects have been obtained by a person. When Guru Nanak was in his young age, was to undergo the ritual of taking Janev, he asked the Pandey that Deya Kapas Santok Sut Jat Gandi Satvat E Janev ji ka Haita Pandey Kat. O Pandey, bestow Janev upon me, which contains the virtue of compassion, contentment, truth, abstinence. These are the virtues which are and must be the attributes of a Janev. Otherwise, the wearing of simple thread is meaningless. And in Guru Nanak's life, he has transformed the lives of so many people who are having a very vicious circle of life. And there was Rakshkoda, there was Sajjan Thag, there was Pumia Chor, and he transformed their lives and they became Gurmukhs, they became Jivan Mukt. Even in the times of Guru Gobind Singh, we see Banda Bahadur. He was given to a life of vice and he was robbing the people by wearing the robes of a saint, and he was transformed and he was bestowed with the qualities of a Gurmukh, and he was sent to Sarhand to avenge the death of the Sahibjadas. And you see, he rose like a hero and ravaged the kingdom of Wazir Khan and raised the Sarhand city to rubles. And you see, then there Bachittar Singh, He was a very weak, physically weak, structured body, but Guru Gobind Singh blessed him with such powers, transformed him, and he came out of Anandpur fort and fought with the drunken elephant, and he also made him run away. And this is a type of transformation, that the attributes which are there of God, when those are imbibed by a man, he becomes a Jivan Mukt. Because I have very few minutes more, therefore I would not be able to do a very detailed justice to the subject, but I am giving the basic meaning of Jivan Mukt person. Jivan Mukt person is equivalent to a person who has become a Gurmukh, who has taken himself in the sanctuary of God and the sanctuary of the Guru, and he has also obtained, imbibed, inculcated the virtues which are the hallmark of a Guru. And Guru Arjan in Dev Gandhari says, Ulti re, man ulti re. O mind, take a U-turn. Sakat syon kar ulti re. You should run away from the vicious life and obtain a reincarnate yourself of a virtuous life under the guidance of Gur Shabad, under the guidance of Gur Sharan, and you would become a Jivan Mukt. This is the concept in brief about Jivan Mukt in Gurbani. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.